Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we are going to be working on a Kershaw Leek today. I don't need to, I literally just made this video and before I could upload it, it got corrupted, so that's not great. So this is going to be maintenance on my Kershaw Leek. First suggestion when taking apart your Kershaw Leek is open it. You do not want to do this maintenance with it closed. I've done it. It's a huge pain. Now I'm not going to be greasing this. I don't want to waste any more grease. I didn't even need to clean it last time. But here's how you take it apart. These are T6 screws. Be careful not to strip them. And this one is a T8. The pivot screw is a T8. You don't have to do this, but what I do is I set all of my screws in the position that I pulled them out. Like that. As you can see, I already just lubed this the other day, or not the other day, 2 hours ago. So I use mineral oil. It's this massive thing of mineral oil that I got for like 15 bucks. I got 2 of them for, it was buy one get one 50% off at the time. Anyway, this right here, let's go ahead and move this out of the way and see if this looks good. Cool. So this plate is removed. I use automotive grease to grease this. You want to take this out, clean out this whole thing. If it's brand new, it'll have clear grease and it'll turn black over time, which is fine. That's not a big deal. Just know when it's black, it's probably time to replace it. Once you're done greasing it, you're going to stick that back on. And this part's a huge pain. Not this, but the rest of it. You're going to place the backspacer right here. Since I already lubed these, the phosphor bronze washers on both sides, I'm just going to stick it right back together. Actually, now I'll show you guys what I do. Peel it off, wipe it. The other one, wipe it. Clean off the blade. Now, mineral oil is food safe, so that's not a big, huge deal. Q-tip. Let's get you out of the spotlight and put you in. Okay, so I do 2 drops. Normally smaller than that. And then first bronze washer on there. Okay, 2 more drops. Put the blade. Another 2 drops, smaller than the other ones. Other bronze washer. Another 2 drops. Okay. Focus for me. Thank you. Now for this part's the pain, is keeping this plate in place. So you're going to want to line up this spring, sticks out. You're going to want to line it up with this hole while it's sideways so you can look. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now let's go with T6. And again, I put all my screws back in where they go. You don't have to, I don't think. So go backwards until you hear kind of like a clicking sound. And the screw will drop down a little further. That will prevent you from cross-threading, because it'll meet up with the threads with both. Okay, now for the last one. Okay, now swap to a T8, pivot screw. I'm going to go ahead and get any residual stuff out of there real quick. If you go slow enough with the backwards roll, you'll hear 2 clicks. And hearing 2 clicks is kind of important, because if you only hear 1, then you will cross-thread it if you do it slowly. So I'm going to go ahead and back this off a little bit, because I'm going for centering. We're going to swap over to the T6. Loosen this one. Tighten these 2. Okay. So the reason why I use grease, automotive grease, is because when you shake it, if you use oil instead of grease, you'll hear a rattling sound that is really annoying. And I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I just used what they used from factory, but a little better. So there you go. That's how you maintain your Kershaw Leek. I'm not a sharpening guy. I'm not great at that, so every once in a while I'll take it a couple passes on one of these. But yeah, there you go.